Today in Nutri Snack Kitchen, Dawud is going to make raspberry and white chocolate cake.
Mama, meow, 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 meow.
I'm going to use the packaging guidelines to work out 175 grams of butter. This butter is room temperature, and I'm going to add 175 grams of sugar to this bowl. Oops, I will out of sugar. I got a new packet and I need to make a total of 175 grams of sugar. I'm going to cream the butter and sugar together. I'm going to have 3 eggs, but it's going to be one at a time.
Yeah, Mama.
Dawud को दो.
Yeah.
He's saying, say thanks, yeah.
Thank you, Yaya. Ek minute. Thank you, Yaya.
Yeah. Mama, that's
Thank you, yeah.
I'm also teaching my baby brother how to bake a cake. I'm going to add 175 grams of self-raising flour. The full recipe is in the description box below.
Mama.
Reset. Avocado.
By sieving the flour, the cake will be more fluffy. I'm going to mix the flour with the wooden spoon. I'm trying not to over mix it.
What are we doing here?
This is baking cake.
Yeah, we're baking cake.
This is baking cake, you mama.
You can use white chocolate chip or white chocolate bar.
Mama, try.
We need 100 grams of white chocolate.
Cake. No. Cake.
Here, baby brother is learning how to chop a chocolate.
No.
I think he's waiting to eat the chocolate.
No.
I'm using about 100 grams of raspberries to add to the batter. I'm going to save some raspberries for the decoration. Yahya was crying for one raspberry. Sometimes it can get hard baking with a baby brother. Because he likes baking, he gets involved a lot. I'm mixing white chocolate and raspberries to the batter.
I'm sorry about the glitch. I didn't realize the camera was on fast forward, and then I had to slow this video down, and the end result was not very nice.
The oven is preheated. I'm going to bake it for 50 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let the cake cool down before you cut it. The cake was really nice and everyone enjoyed it. I took some to school in my packed lunch. To make it extra special, add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream.
The same cake recipe can be used with different flavors such as strawberry and milk chocolate or coconut and dried apricots. If you make this recipe, please let us know in the comment box, and also tag us on our Instagram page. Thank you for watching.